guys to Nikko Circuit.
コース上に入れちゃったもの、おそらく水だと思われますので問題ないと思いますが、一応走行再開直後はちょっと様子見ながら行ってください。お願いします。はい、じゃあ走行再開です。
Yeah, this today is a drift event held by Ito Auto Service. But yeah, according to the Nikko schedule, you can check it online on their website. There's some event going on every day nearly. So yeah, today it's this drift event.
Yeah, how this works is that at Nikko Circuit, like mostly every day, there are different events by different organizers. So some are organized by Nikko Circuit themselves, but some are also organized by companies or clubs or whatever, different people who then organize different track days. If you check, you can check on the Nikko Circuit website what's going on. There's free drift events, grip and drift practice events, and then all kinds of different stuff. And so yeah, Nikko Circuit is nearly every day something is going on, and then they have the telephone numbers that you can then contact them about participation and everything. And yeah, for example, this one, as I said, is held by Ito Auto Service, which is a it's like a car shop. They sell parts. They also buy and sell cars, and obviously offer repair and tuning for cars. And you might have seen they have these Project Mu Itasha livery drift cars. And yeah, let's go check out some of the cars.
I wasn't sure, but this one is indeed NA, so it's a type S probably. Yeah, shows that you don't need a ton of power to go drifting. Also your NA S15 works, or a brand new 086 also works.